Hello, and welcome. In this video, we'll be exploring the amazing health benefits of ginger. From reducing inflammation and aiding digestion to relieve nausea and potentially even helping to fight cancer and support in diabetes, ginger has been shown to have a wide range of potential health benefits. We'll be taking a closer look at the science behind these benefits and how ginger can be added to your diet in convenient and tasty ways. So sit back, relax, and learn how this ancient spice can help improve your overall health and well-being. Ginger is a spice derived from the rhizome of the Zingiber officinale plant, which is widely used in cooking and traditional medicine. It has a long history of use in many cultures, including ancient China and India, where it was believed to have healing properties. In traditional medicine, ginger has been used to treat a wide range of ailments, including nausea, digestive issues, and inflammation. Modern scientific studies have also confirmed many of the medicinal properties of ginger, including its ability to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. It is often consumed as a tea or added to dishes for its unique flavor and potential health benefits. Ginger has been shown to have a variety of potential health benefits in numerous modern-day studies. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and other studies have highlighted the following key benefits of ginger. 1. Anti-inflammatory. Ginger contains compounds known as gingerols and shigarols which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is believed to be a contributing factor in many chronic diseases. 2. Nausea relief. Ginger has been shown to be effective in reducing nausea and vomiting associated with motion sickness, chemotherapy, and pregnancy. This property is thought to be due to ginger's ability to block serotonin receptors in the gut. 3. Digestive health. Ginger has been traditionally used to treat digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and indigestion. This is believed to be due to ginger's ability to stimulate the production of digestive juices and enzymes. 4. Immune system support. Ginger contains compounds that have been shown to have immune-boosting effects, potentially helping to fight off infections and diseases. 5. Blood sugar control. Some studies have suggested that ginger may help improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of diabetes. 6. Cardiovascular health. Ginger may help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. 7. Antioxidant. Ginger contains antioxidants such as gingerols, shigarols, and zingerone which can help protect the body against oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. 8. Anti-cancer. Some studies have suggested that ginger may have anti-cancer properties due to its ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce inflammation in the body. 9. Pain relief. Ginger has been shown to have pain-relieving properties and may be effective in reducing pain associated with osteoarthritis, menstrual cramps, and headaches. Overall, while more research is needed to fully understand the health benefits of ginger, current evidence suggests that it may be a valuable addition to a healthy diet and lifestyle. Ginger is a popular spice that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It has numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and reducing nausea. Here are some exciting ways to add ginger to your diet and lifestyle. Firstly, you can make a fresh ginger tea. Peel and grate a piece of fresh ginger root and boil it in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the liquid and enjoy as a hot tea. You can add honey, lemon, or mint to enhance the taste. Ginger shots is another way. Blend fresh ginger with water and strain the liquid. Drink it as a shot, or mix it with other fruits and vegetables for a healthful smoothie. The most convenient way is to take ginger capsules. Ginger supplements are available in capsule form and can be taken daily for health benefits. Adding ginger to your meals. Add fresh or dried ginger to your meals. It pairs well with stir-fries, soups, stews, and even desserts. Using ginger's essential oil in aromatherapy. Ginger essential oil can be added to a diffuser for aromatherapy or applied topically after dilution with a carrier oil. It is important to always consult with a healthcare professional before adding new supplements to your diet. In conclusion, Ginger is a powerful spice with numerous health benefits backed by scientific research. It has been traditionally used to treat various ailments and is now gaining popularity as a natural remedy for many conditions. From reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and relieving nausea to potentially lowering the risk of heart disease and cancer, ginger's potential benefits are impressive. Incorporating ginger into your diet can be as easy as drinking ginger tea or adding it to your meals. However, as with any supplement, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before adding it to your routine. Overall, ginger is an excellent addition to a healthy diet and lifestyle, and its potential health benefits make it worth considering. That concludes our video introduction on the health benefits of ginger.